Welcome back to a new video. Today we're hopping right into it. Go ahead, subscribe, and like this video for more content. Pull my edges down and I already stick my ponytail up. I'm gonna either twist it or braid it and wrap it around before I put my ponytail on. I ordered it from Amazon. It's the color 1B 18 inches. Everything I use in this video that I think you might want, I'll try to link it down below. But yeah, let me show y'all the ponytail if I can get it up. It is a drawstring ponytail, 18 inches.
Take me through that, take me through that. 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 Take me through that, take me through that.
Out of that, ooh, she gone. Out of that, overly, yeah, she gone. I'm taking her up through there. Two I'ma go two pair. Hide your whole two player. Got body like she went on a drill. Look at your shit, go trim. Cut it, get it on film. Full course meal, she ate up the drill. She wanna go through that.
Now that the hair is done, it's time to get into the lashes. These are the lash clusters that I'm finna apply. They are super cute. And I've been loving like the little wispy, spiky type of look. And they come with bottoms as well. I don't know if I'm doing bottoms because I've never done bottoms before. But look at these. They are beautiful.
Go through the, yeah. Pop me in one name, tryna get fried. Take another piece of the pill. Gas up, shot up through the cool like a rocket for real. I told her charge me up, my phone died. She going no kill, yeah.
Take me through that, take me through that.
She going.
Take me through that, take me through that. 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 Take me through that, take me through that.
Take her through that, bust her down just like the watch. Fuck on Tuesday.
The lashes are done. I need to Derma-plane. I've been slacking on Derma-plane real bad. I'm just gonna start off by putting some oil on my face. Then I'm gonna go in with this razor. Basically, most of my hair will be right here, like on side of my face. So I'm just gonna put some on there.
Say that you're gonna be.
Cool, but tonight I'm whining. I'ma be in a dangerous mood. Can you match my time? Telling me that you really want it, why try hide it? Talk is cheap, so show me that you understand how I like it. Can you blow my
For my face mask, I've been using the Indie Healing Aztec Secret Clay Mask. And then I have my clay bowl. Now, I do have some already mixed up. I don't know if I can use it or not. But I'm just going to take my chances. I'm just going to go ahead and use the rest of this that's in this bowl. I'm really not going to even use all of it because it's really too much. But I'm just going to apply it all over my face. And this mask is real good. I like it because it dries out all the pimples, pulls out all the whiteheads, all the blackheads, anything that's hidden in your pores. This mask right here gonna get it out.
Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. Make me sweat.
as you can see, the mask is fully on. I'm thinking I'm gonna let it sit for like 25 to 30 minutes. Really give it time to dig deep in my pores and just really cleanse my skin. And this is my skin. This is the skin before I add anything else to it. All I did was just wash the face mask out. Girl, it's literally glowing. Because I am getting ready to go to bed, I'm only about to use 2 products. One of these products is new. I just ordered this and I just got it like 2 days ago. It's supposed to help with hyperpigmentation. Can y'all see it? Kojic Acid Turmeric Cream. It's supposed to help with dark spots and hyperpigmentation. But I do want to get rid of my dark spots and help even out my skin tone. So first I'm going in with my cream. And then I'm going in with, I think I'm going to do a eye mask. So before I go in with my eye cream, this one is the Wake Up Eye Gel by Good Molecule. I'm just going to go ahead and do my 24K Gold eye mask. Let that sit for 10 minutes and then apply my eye cream.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. Come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right when I see you, when I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone.
To moisturize my body today, I'm going in with the Glow Getter Body Butter by Naturium. Almost out, and I did love this body butter, so I'm definitely gonna get some more. It has like a shea butter smell, and it's very, very moisturizing. Told y'all I'm almost out. It is high though. I think it's like probably $20 or more, but it's worth it because in the end, your skin will be looking so smooth. It's gonna be soft and it's gonna be hydrated.
See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah, 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 yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby.
It's been 10 minutes now. It's time for these eye masks to come off. It also will help if I get more sleep too, because I work 3rd shift, and as you can see, I'm up during the day filming, watching TV, doing other stuff, so I really don't get much sleep. But these eye masks really, really do make a difference. They help brighten it, as you can see. That's what my under eye is looking like right now. Now for some extra moisture, I'm going in with my eye cream. And that's about it. Like, your girl done had a quick little cute little glow up. And I'm satisfied with the outcome. Moisturize my under eye real good. And that's gonna be it. Like, that's all for today, boo. That's all I got the energy to do, because it's almost 2 p.m. and I need to go to bed because I gotta go to work.